So good afternoon. So I'll be showing you how to design a flyer, a good flyer that will speak well. You'll discover that there's space. I was explaining some things in the principle of design, that texture texture is our test. Yeah, texture is our test. You'll be able to see edit. You'll be able to see edit here. You'll be able to see front. You'll be able to see text status. You'll be able to see font size, color, format, that's which include bold, italic, underline. This is mainly used for if you want to change it to a capital letter. This is to move. You see what I'm adjusting. This one is called alignment. This is what we call alignment. That's what we call alignment. So font size. The font size now is in 31. Text styles. We have text types, which we have for the heading, subheading, the body. If you're writing a letter, you understand what heading means, subheading, and the body. That's what the document style is all about. More of it. So edit is that if you want to type anything on it. So front, I'll be explaining the type of front. So as I was saying the last time, I make use of robot for this for it here, for this desk, front desk. So this robot, I can decide to change it to Canva Sans. I can decide to change it to Ari. There's no one that's not good. I can decide to change it to Arrow more. So you can decide to use any font that is on Canva. At least that you have access to the pro. You can use the one that show crown. All this one that show crown means they are pro. That means you can use them and your result will not show in watermark. So I've explained about this already. The texture, color, these are colors. Animate, that's if you want to make your video like an animation. Layers, if you want to add another layers to your design. So this is what you need to know about now. These are example of more templates of the flyer designs. So elements in Canva is where we make use of one of the major search engine for Canva. One of the major search engine for Canva. You can decide to search for WhatsApp icon or logo. You'll discover it brought many designs, many logos, and so on and so forth. So I go to graphics. I can see this one is for business. I can see different ones. These photos, these videos, shape, and so on and so forth. So there's some things I wanted to show you in the key elements that we need to know. Some of the key elements that is very, very important. We have stickers here. We have stickers, variety of stickers. As I've said, photos, videos, advertising, that's in audio, charts, frames, tables, grease. All what I'm showing you today are the key elements in Canva. Let me click on this. Indian grainy gradient kit, and you see there are different shapes, different designs, different designs. This is another one again. Different collections on key elements. So we have different key elements that we can make use of in our design works. I've not really make use of them. Because I've not really come across what to make me use of them for my designs. So I'm just trying to explain them to you so that it will not look strange by the time you see them. That the key elements that people can also use for design works instead of going to searching on the elements now. Instead of searching on elements, you can decide to just click on it and to reflect on your design work. Okay, let me click on one. Let me click on this. This is blocky shapes of gradients. You see that in various shapes. Let me now tell you where you can use all these key elements in. Especially when you are in branding. I will tell you something. What it means by branding. That's what they make use of these designs for. If you want to do anything branding, you want to do anything like presentations for your slide for some of your program, like slide, how would I put it? Slide for your, like a content. Let me just show you one as a sample. on my Instagram page. Instagram. This is what I'm trying to say, that we can make use of this, like this 6 benefit of advertisement on social media. You can see an icon for advertisement there. It has where we spend the design work. This is part of what I was saying, that this gradient, this thing I was showing us in element, the other element is what I make use of here. Arrow. So these are the content I was trying to talk about, that we can make use of those Canva elements that was showing us.